Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're back in the kitchen. So this is a cooking with Tank episode. So I decided that I'm gonna make a chicken quesadilla. Well, I think that's what it's called. I am not quite sure. I'm too lazy to look it up on the internet. If you're able to do this after the video is done and edited and stuff, you can correct me in the comments below. So, yeah, we're gonna be making a chicken quesadilla, and it's gonna be really good. So, let's get this thing started. Okay, guys, we got the tinfoil out, and we're gonna spray this down with some Pam. Give it a decent coating, even the sides that are going to be folded up over the there we go, about like that. Now we're going to take one tortilla shell, and we're going to take some queso sauce. Grab a good nice spoonful of it, just like that, and plop it on there, and then just give it a spread around. Yeah, just get it all around the edges, even on the sides, just like that, smooth and perfect. Oh, we got a truck cruising by. Can't control that. I gotta have the windows open. It's too dang. It would be too dang hot if I had them closed. Alright, there we go. That's a good amount right there. Now, I got the shredded chicken in here. It's already made up. I made this with chicken and salsa and other different stuff, so this is going to be really good. It's good and shredded up right here. So now we're just gonna take a couple scoops of the chicken and plop it. Oop, come on. It's fighting me, guys. Okay, we're just gonna take some out here, just like this. Oh, we got a train. And again, I can't control that. Yep, we just gotta spread it out all over the shell. There we go. A little spread this out just like that. Got a little bit more here. Let's go like that. There we go. Just. Okay, got that good and ready. We're just gonna get the last bit of it just right on top. There we go. That's nice and hearty one. There we go. Good. So now we're gonna take some cheese here. I realized we didn't have any shredded cheese, but I had this small little brick of pepper jack I'm going to cut up here. So just gotta move this to the side here. Move this up. And we're just going to grab a knife. And we're just going to go like slice, slice, slice. Just like that, and maybe just like this too. There we go. Now we're gonna just plop these on there They should melt. If not, we're gonna have an issue. Yeah, just get these all on there. There we go, just like that. And then we got 3 jalapenos here. We gotta plug in the blender, the little mini blender here, and we're gonna chop these jalapenos up nice and good. They'll be added on to the quesadilla. Give it a little more of a zing to it. So we're just gotta there we go. And I just hit my head on the microwave. Oh, we love blending. There we go. Perfect. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Oh, that smell. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna take a spoon and just scoop. Alright, now we're just gotta go get the rest of this out. Come on. There we go. Now we just spread it. Okay, good. We're gonna slide this back up again. Now, we're gonna add some lettuce. Don't got any shredded lettuce, but I got this big head. See? Big head of lettuce here. And now I'm just gonna take like something like this. Something like that. And something like this right here, just like that. Now we're going to take the knife okay, good. Okay, that's good and chopped. So we're gonna just like that, right on top. Okay. Alright, now we got that good and going. So now we just gotta give it an extra little zing. We got some Frank's hot sauce right here. We're just gonna go like bit more flavor, burn your ass. Now, we're just about done, guys. Well, with the preparing. Now, the top tortilla we'll get this queso as well. So, got the queso back. So now we're just gonna spread this on the top one. Yep, we got the we got the queso covered all over the top one. Now we just oh wait, I got an idea. We need to add one more thing. If I can find it. Ah, come on. Eek. Ugh, reach. Thank you, reach. There we go. Okay, we got some sour cream. We're just gonna throw some sour cream on there too. That would make it more good. Good. This is gonna be really good, guys. But honestly, this might be the most loaded quesadilla I ever made. And again, if I'm saying this wrong, again, please, saying the name wrong again, please tell me and correct me in the comments below. There we go. We'll just spread it out so it gets all around. There we go. Just like that. Down into, and then we'll get some more franks on there. There we go. And now we get the top of the top shell. There we go. Get it nicely. Just like that. Now I fold it. But actually, can I? Okay, now we just. Okay, good. Time to look at my mug again. So now we're gonna stick this in the oven for 350 to 350 degrees and have it in there for about. We'll try like maybe 50 minutes and see how it turns out afterwards. So we'll come back then. Okay, we got it out of the oven and it smells really good, you guys. It took earlier than, you know 50, but hey, whatever. It was like 24. So, let's actually open up the tin foil and take a look at it. So, let's do that quick. Okay, there we go. We just slowly gotta go like that. Like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some of them juices flowing out. Oh yeah. Some of the queso sauce spread. What do we got here? Jalapeno. Yeah, so now what we gotta do is cut it open. There it is. So we'll just use a trusty old pizza cutter. So now we just gotta like, you know, just in the shape of pizzas, it looks like it's kind of spreading out a little bit. That's okay. There we go. Yeah, we got it cut. Now, spatula. And the plate. I'm gonna try to go for this one. Ooh. Ah, there we go. Just like that. And yeah, we'll just set that right there. Good. Now, yep, that's it. The quesadilla. So now I better go grab a fork and try to give this a shot. See, well, first we'll go is the chicken that was a runoff. Or slipped out of it. Come on. Oop. There we go. Oh, that is awesome. Okay. Now we're going to, I'm going to bring it down again. I'm going to actually, no, actually we're going to go right here. But looks like we got really nothing really here, but alright. Yeah. This tastes really good, guys. Now let's go like right up here, because it looks like we got a decent there we go. Decent amount right there. So that is really good, guys. Yeah. I highly recommend you guys giving this a shot. It's a quesadilla. You can get them at Taco Bell, but you know what? Taco John / Taco Bell. Probably any Mexican restaurant you want. But try to make it homemade. Throw whatever the hell you want inside it and make it your own thing. Just give it a try. This has been Tank. This has been Cooking with Tank. Quesadilla edition. And again, if I'm fucking up the name, let me know in the comments. So, till next time, my friends, I'm Tank, signing off. Peace!